Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading for 2025. Today's video is all about transferring USDT from your Phantom wallet to Bybit. If you're looking to move your assets quickly and securely, you're in the right place. USDT is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and with platforms like Phantom and Bybit, transfers are easier than ever. But let's make sure you do it right to avoid any hiccups. First things first, ensure your Phantom wallet is set up and you have some USDT in it. If you're new, download the Phantom app or extension and connect it to your crypto account. Now, head over to Bybit. Log into your Bybit account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once logged in, navigate to the deposit section. Select USDT as your currency, and make sure to choose the correct network. Phantom typically works with Solana or Ethereum, so double-check that it matches Bybit's options to prevent any transfer failures. Okay, back to Phantom. Open your wallet, select your USDT balance, and hit the Send button. You'll need to paste the deposit address you copied from Bybit. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll see a confirmation on the blockchain, which might take a minute or two depending on network congestion. After that, hop back to Bybit and check your account balance. Your USDT should appear shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Give it some time and verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Solana's or Etherscan. Pro tip: always use a secure internet connection for these transfers and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Phantom to Bybit in 2025. This process is not only simple but also empowers you to manage your crypto more effectively. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Let's keep learning and trading smartly together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.